Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming support and preparing to test. Don't waste time. First, unlock your phone and open Settings, then search for NFC. If you don't find it, check Connected Devices or Quick Settings tiles. Many manufacturers put an NFC icon there. Once located, note whether it's listed as NFC or Near Field Communication. That label tells you the hardware is present. Make sure a tag or card is at hand so you can verify the function immediately after enabling it. Once done finding the option, toggle NFC on and observe the icon change. Depending on Android version, it may be under Connections, Connected Devices, or Wireless. After enabling, open Payment or Default apps to choose which app handles NFC reads. This prevents wrong apps from intercepting tags. Make sure you tap tags near the phone's rear center, because antenna placement matters. If you need to write tags, install a simple NFC utility app and grant required permissions. You finish by testing functionality. Tap a tag or card to the phone's back and watch for a read notification or the correct app opening. If nothing happens, make sure the screen is awake and unlocked. Many phones require that for security. Once confirmed, adjust any permission or battery optimization settings so NFC runs reliably. If you run into trouble, reboot the phone, toggle NFC off and on, clear app defaults, and ensure airplane mode is off. Those fixes resolve most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.